welcome to this eagerly awaited meeting of these two teams. Both managers have picked strong lineups today, no real surprises. This then how the home team is lining up. So, the referee gets this match underway. Both teams more than capable of winning it, but which way is it going to go? This is Bale. Laid wide. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Now Lukaku. That's good link-up play. This is Bale. Salah. Well timed then. Great defending. Volleyed on. Defenders are looking to the assistant, but the flag stays down. Oh, and it's in! What a fantastic goal. It means a lot to the player. It should give him the confidence to grab more. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. They expected to lose today, but they've gone ahead. Good ball. Shoots. The keeper's blocked that one. Well, let's have a look at that one again. Whipped in. Oh, this could be costly. Messi shoots. Oh, well taken by the goalkeeper. Finds his teammate. Passed well. Now Lukaku. Good distribution. Lovely passing here. And it's Ronaldo. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Here's Van Dijk. And we're entering stoppage time now. And it's half time then. They brought on a few substitutes for the second half. It's 1-0. The losing team have the next 45 minutes to turn things around. Volleyed forward. Here's Varane. Alba. Defender is on the ball. Here's Ronaldo. And it's Ronaldo. Oh, he must score. Pulls the trigger. They're right back in it now. And this is a world-class finish. And it's level. Determined work from the player and his team to get them back into the game. Dominating the play now. Here's Varane. Llorente. Confident pass. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. He's headed the ball forward. Definite offside there, no question. Three subs are coming on. They're making big changes. Defending. And now De Bruyne. Great passing there. It's Messi with the ball. Robertson. Alba. It's Ronaldo! Oh, lovely finish! And surely that's won it for them. 2 goals today from this exciting player. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. It's late, but anything can still happen. That's nicely played. And he tries something special. Is this the moment? A chance to have a better look here. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Oh, he's well offside.